This is 1 season oil right here. I thought he was clean. Look how nasty that is. 1 season, barely ran it, maybe 20 times. Took it out. Grossies. All you do is old pump, hook it up to the dipstick tube, suck it all out. Then you put the white towel underneath the boat, open the drain plug, then see whatever's left in there, change the filter, then the job's done. This one's got a fuel to water separator, so you replace that too. And that's your summer ready boat, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, Amsoil Marine right there. So change your oil.